Welcome to the Quarter by Warren Hotel in Belfast. The hotel is located slightly north of the city centre. The corridors leading to the rooms look very smart and modern. To access the room, you are given a metal key rather than a plastic key card. The Belfast art on the wall is a nice touch. The first thing you notice when you enter the room is the high ceilings. My first impressions are that the room looks quite small, but it also looks very practical. To the left, we have a long, thin wall mirror. In the corner, we have a large desk with a chair. We have a tea and coffee making station with cups and glasses. And we have a decent sized TV in the corner. Looking out of the window, we get a view of Boy Park and Belfast Cathedral. We have a double bed squeezed into the gap between the walls. Ideal for solo travellers like myself. The ceiling has a very industrial finish to it. I think the high ceilings make the room feel bigger than it is. Behind the door, we have a large wardrobe. Inside the wardrobe, we have a clothes rail and some hangers. Down the bottom, we have a fan and some shelves. Time to check out the bathroom. The bathroom is a bit on the small side, but it does look very clean. On the wall we have a large mirror. In the corner we have some towels, a bin and a toilet. Over the other side of the bathroom we have the shower. At the back of the hotel there is an outdoor area where you can sit. This area is mainly aimed at smokers, I would say. To save you going down to reception and out the main door to have a smoke. Breakfast is normally included in your room rate, which is served in the breakfast room. There is a breakfast room located on each floor of the hotel. Breakfast is served as a continental buffet that you help yourself to. No cooked breakfast is available at the hotel. I decided to go for some pancakes and a glass of apple juice. I chose to take breakfast back to my room and not join others at the dining table. Overall, I enjoyed my stay at the Quarter by Warren Hotel. It's a great option if you're looking for affordable accommodation in Belfast city centre. I paid £66 for a one night stay in this hotel. This price was for a queen bedroom with breakfast included. I booked the hotel through the booking agent agoda.com. What do you think of the hotel? Would you stay here? What hotel should I stay at next? Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe if you want to see more of my travel adventures. It is totally free to do so. If you would like to support my channel, you can find a link to my donation page down below in the video description.